Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Minecraft Launcher with Java Edition on Windows step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser of choice. Navigate to the official Minecraft website. Look for the download button on the home page. Click on it to access the download options. Find the section for Minecraft Java Edition. Select the option to download the Minecraft Launcher. Once the file is downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to begin the installation process. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes to allow the installer to run. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. Choose your preferred installation location or stick with the default option. Click the Install button to initiate the installation. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once finished, click Finish to close the installer. Now, open the Minecraft Launcher icon on your desktop or in your Start menu. Upon launching, you will be prompted to sign in or create a Mojang account. If you already have an account, enter your login details and click Login. If you need to create a new account, select the option to register. Follow the instructions to complete your account setup. Once logged in, you may be prompted to download the latest version of Minecraft. Click on the Install button to download the game files. After the download is complete, you are ready to play. Select Play to start your Minecraft adventure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.